Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I am going to do a swatch and talk through of a really pretty polish that I will be sharing with you in a hot minute. But of course, thanks for watching in advance. I really appreciate you so much, and if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But as usual, grab your own nail supplies and paint your nails together with me, and start off with clean nails and grab your favorite base. I tend to switch up my bases a lot. I have very high-end expensive ones, but I have really budget-proof ones, which are like €2 or something like that. But for today, I'm going in with a base by Chanel. I have purchased this, I think it was like early this year, just to try it out because I've never ever tried out Chanel polishes before actually purchasing these, and I got like 3 colors as well. Like, spoiler alert, I'm not really blown away by them. I pretty much prefer the Dior polishes more because they are more opaque and more fast drying. But yeah, that's a whole other story. If you're interested to see my thoughts on both brands, Chanel and Dior, definitely check out those videos because I've done really in-depth, like, first time try out videos on those. And you know, I've been doing my own nails and other people's nails for such a long time, and yeah, I have known a good share of good and really like bad polishes, different price ranges as well. So yeah, definitely check it out if you're curious about that. But of course, I'm just going to apply a good layer of this base to all of my nails, capping off the edges as well. And if you're curious to know why my nails were shiny before applying this base, that is because I'm actually wearing a gel polish base and top coat, not only for a little additional strength, but also because it's really easy for me to remove my nail polishes afterwards without really having to soak it off. But yeah, the color that I will be swatching in today's nail polish of the week video is actually one by Cirque Colors. I purchased this one months ago. It was just a random color that I chose. It looked really cute, really pretty. Yeah, let's just say it looked really pretty in the bottle. Let's just put it at that, because I was hoping on a little bit more opaqueness, a little bit more like oomph in that base color. But as you will see, I will be applying 2 coats. It is a very sheer. The pink color that you see really intensely in the bottle is not how this will come across up on the nail. It doesn't transfer a lot of color at all. Other than that, it is a really pretty color, or at least polish, I had to say, because there are so many beautiful flakies in here. And if you're like me and you like some glitter and bling and flaky and just like shiny stuff all the way, this is a beautiful polish. But yeah, I have used this one like on its own as a base for my strawberry milkshake like dripping nail art. If you want to check it out, definitely do so after watching this video. It is really pretty to use for nail art, but it will also be really beautiful just to slap it on top of any other colored polish. Definitely go for pink or blue or maybe even a yellow. I think that would look really cool as well, because the flakies kind of have a shift from a pink to a yellow to a bluish kind of vibe going on. So yeah, that will look really cute. But because this base color, I really hoped, I was so desperately hoping it would be more of a not really like a super sheer that it was, but I wasn't really expecting a super creamy opaqueness either, but more of like a crelly kind of idea. But I feel like even with 2 or even 3 coats, the pink that's in the base color doesn't really transfer upon the nails, which is such a bummer because it does give a little bit of like an extra yellowy tinge to the nails, which is not everyone's cup of tea. Like, people are even complaining about the fact that they feel like my nails are super stained, even though my nails aren't stained at all. Like, like nail colors, like natural nail colors, because these are my natural nails. Nail colors come in so many different like shades, and yeah, it is all depending of course on lighting as well, what time of day it is. Your nail color can be affected by using specific medication as well. Fortunately, I don't have issues like that, but yeah, just keep in mind that not everyone has white tips, and that is not natural either. Like, I feel like we're so like brainwashed by the fact that nails have to be like white tips. Like, nobody has such white tips, or maybe it looks more white because your skin tone is different, but you know, just don't judge people by what their natural nail color is like, because it can depend on so many different factors. And yeah, but that's a whole other side story. I'm just starting to rant over here. But yeah, just do whatever you want to, you know. It is just like nail polish, it are just your nails. If you don't like it, you can just remove the nail polish, you know. But yeah, I really hoped that before using this polish it was a little bit more opaque. But other than that, the flakies are really gorgeous. Oh, and by the way, I purchased this color like months ago at hypnoticpolish.com. They actually sell a ton of different beautiful indie polish brands. I'm fairly new still to indie like brands and nail polish brands like that. So yeah, this was actually one of the first polishes that I got. I wasn't super disappointed, but you know, I just hoped it was a little bit more opaque, but that's just my personal preference. If you like sheer and jelly polishes, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts about that, and I really love the fact that there are so many different guys, but also girls, or anyone, what age, wherever you come from, have such a big love and interest for nail polishes and nail related like videos and topics. So yeah, definitely let me know down in the comments that like, what do you think about this polish? Do you like sheer polishes? Do you like long nails? Like, let me know what you're wearing at the moment, for example, or just say hi. I love to talk to you guys in the comment section down below as well. So definitely leave whatever you would like to share with me and the other viewers as well. But yeah, after 2 coats I was like, okay, I'm not going to add a third one because, you know, I was just like, it's a little disappointing that it isn't that opaque. And yeah, you know, I've mentioned this like so often in this video already. I just love opaque polishes. I don't like my natural smile line peeking through, but I'm beginning like kind of like to force myself into trying out more different polishes and finishes, and not only super opaque ones. So yeah, I'm actually quite excited that I even tried this polish in a nail polish of the week video, because I know that there are going to be a lot of comments of people who are like, okay, I don't really like it to be this sheer either. Like, okay, we're like on one line, we think very similar. I get you, but I do know that there are some people out there who actually do like a polish like this, and to see their natural like smile line and nails peeking through underneath. But yeah, after your polish is completely dry, you want to go in with your top coat. I just used one by Chanel. I'm not a big fan of that one either. The brush is kind of floppy and just I'm not a big fan. It is quite pricey too, so I'm not going to repurchase that one. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it, and I hope to see you in my next video.